Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this Meghan Markle inspired messy bun. I've roughly curled the hair and then I'm just going to apply some texture spray at the roots. Then we're going to take thin slices of hair around the crown and just gently back comb this. Gently smooth over the top layer of hair and secure everything at the nape of the neck into a low ponytail. To give this style a nice messy look, spray some texture spray over the head and gently pinch and pull at the hair just to loosen everything up a bit. Divide that ponytail in half and create a loose twist. Then all we're going to do is wrap that round the base of the ponytail, making sure that you leave the ends out, and secure this to the head using a few bobby pins. Once everything's nice and secure, spray some more texture spray on that bun and gently use your fingers to pull and massage so it gives it a lovely messy look, and it doesn't matter if bits poke out because this all adds to the effect. I've loosened up some hair around the front and gently curled these away from the face using my GHD tongs. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.